we've got another California house tour in Roseville, northeast of Sacramento. Let's get to it. Let's go in. Oh, this is a Morgan Creek custom built home in Roseville. Let's go inside. Okay, guys, so as soon as you walk in, you see the beautiful staircase. You also see the nice chandeliers. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a left first into the living room and to the dining room, leading up to the kitchen. Let's do it. Okay, you guys, look at this carpeting that they have. The staging done here was amazing. Lovely chandelier again. Yeah, and then right off to your immediate right is your dining room. And then they'll need to have a lamp here, as there's not a light coming directly from the middle of the ceiling. That is okay though. Now this place has beautiful, amazing floor tile and wood. And then you see this is a family room, dining room combination. As I am walking, I'm not gonna step on the carpet, excuse me. But as I'm walking, you see that it's still a good sized space. And then that's just one of the family rooms right there. Now we're gonna head directly into the kitchen. So you've got this amazing large kitchen, beautiful countertops, solid granite, 2 sinks here. You also got the Thermador appliances. So we got the Thermador stove, which is like a chef's kiss for cooking, with a nice range and fan. You also got the refrigerator and another oven and microwave. Sorry, it's kind of hard to like talk with all this right here. So lovely plant in the middle for you. You also got a dual dishwasher, so that's amazing too. So you got your beautiful nook area, if you want to call it a nook area, because this place is huge. And then this table is super big. Honestly, it sits about 5. I think you could do 6. This chair is like a little bit smaller. Solid room, some people call it a nook. I would probably call it another dining room for you. We're heading into the living room now. All right, making our way. That is another closet right there for any kind of storage. And as you see, back to the nice hardwood floors, fireplace right there, TV here with the ceiling fan. Amazing place to sit down and relax. I'll show you how big it is when I walk around. As you can see, it might have been small when I was filming just a second ago about with the fireplace and the TV, but it's got some nice space to it. Nice space to it. And so these 2 couches can sit and relax, enjoy the fire and some TV. Yeah. Now we're going to the downstairs bedroom. We got a nice little closet right there. Excuse me, cabinets. And so yeah, this is your first bedroom. It is huge. Definitely for any in-law that would like to stay with you. With the ensuite. Nice bathroom. With amazing countertops, as you can see. Nice light fixtures right there. Nice shower. No tub in this one. And a huge closet. Okay. Let's go on to the next. So right now we're gonna go the other way of the downstairs, and you'll see what I mean in a second. Back in the living room. And I'm talking about this way. And so I like how they have some artwork set up for each, I want to say cubbyhole, but for each space of the hallway. Look at that, it's so nice. And as we come over here to our left, we've got our half bath and our garage. Let's take it to the half bath first. Some more artwork here for you. Beautiful high ceilings with the crown molding. See right there. And this is our half bath. Looks really nice. Excuse me for that bump. Nice countertop. Nice fixtures and lights. All right. These have got to be 8.5 foot to 9 foot doors. And let's see, before I go in there, let's see how, because I'm like 6'1". Okay, let's see how tall these doors are. So yeah, I am 6'1", and it's looking, I would say 8 to 9 feet has to be. Car garage, oversized garages. Quick look on this one as well. There you go. Goodness. You probably could fit more than 4 cars in here. Yeah. Well, it's got the epoxy flooring as well. You know, you see that smooth flooring in workshops or garages. That is what they mean by epoxy. Epoxy. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs now. And you have this way from the dining room, family room, and kitchen area. So as we go fully upstairs, this place is so huge. It's almost 4,500 square feet, 4,489 to be exact. Now we're gonna go over to our lounge area here. This is for any kind of separation that you need. Wind down, gaming room, man cave, whatever you wanna call it. And this space is huge. Watch this. So you see me, right? I'm here, sitting right here. I'm coming all the way around. And I'm all the way back to here. Man, do quite a bit. Now over here to our right, I'm gonna show you. The meeting area or schooling area. If you have kids, 2 desks right there, couch right there to watch them, make sure they're doing their work with an amazing view over the edge. Man. Okay. So on to the bedrooms that are upstairs. So our first one has got French doors with a nice window, nice ceiling fan as well. Amazing floors too, as you can see. With a huge closet. And I will say every room has a walk-in size closet, which is amazing. All right, so we're gonna go on to our next one. And so before we do though, we have our laundry area. Wash and dry hookers right there. Electrical panel right there. We've also got plenty of cabinet space all throughout. And over here as well, with the nice countertops. And directly across, we've got we have a nice bathroom with the tile flooring, tile showers, but this one also has a tub as well. Nice railings here for you. So nice. All right, you guys. So we're gonna go into our 2 bedrooms, and you're gonna see these have different floorings in them in each one, but I like it though. You can see other windows, walk-in closet here for you, and each bedroom is huge. I'll do a walk by too. So you've also got your next bathroom that is connected to with the shower. No tub in this one, so all tile around here. Nice sink for you. And then you've got your next bedroom that is conjoining with the bathroom with the same flooring, ceiling fan, right there. Yeah. And this is facing the front of the home, but it's getting dark now, so we kind of won't be able to see it. But yeah, I try to hurry up and get this done, but I had some clients to tend to. Walk-in closet as usual. And I'll show you how big the room is. So I was walking around here, I'm walking all the way to the back, to the corner. And yeah, I don't think anyone should have any problem with the amount of space in each person's room. And now we are back out and we're gonna go to the master. Right over here to your left is for your linens or extra clothes that you have. Let's go. Let's head into the master. Wow. Now this is the biggest room, of course, because it has to be. It's the master. Look at this. With your upstairs patio, deck, and then I'm gonna walk around so you can see how big it is too. So yeah, beautiful wood flooring. We've got our crown molding along the ceilings. We have our ceiling fan right here, speakers connected. You have a TV that is mounted on the wall right here with some nice artwork. Beautiful bed, so symmetrical with the two mini windows right here, with your fireplace that is looking on both sides. Now we are going into the master ensuite. Look at this bathtub right here. But also, look at the sink and the storage. Beautiful cabinets with windows on them, with glass. Jeez. I love the wood. And you got your beautiful step in, walk on tub right here. Oversized bathtub. Oh, look at that. It's a nice glass window. And then as you circle back, you got your tub right here. Excuse me, you have your TV right here with the fireplace. So you can definitely relax. Relax. That's what you can do. Now over here to our right, we have the other side of the wall with another sink right here. So you do not have to look at the other person while you're getting ready. And you also got your other seating if you want to do your makeup or anything like that. Self-reflect, anything. Nice light. Some of the bulbs went out, but that's okay. You also have speakers in here that are set up as well. And over to our left, a huge shower with a nice seat here for you. Let's open it up. Huge shower right here, all tile with the granite seating right there. Nice window. And of course, we have our closet that is humongous. Over here, all the way right here. And I'm going to walk it for you. Yeah, this is a solid closet. You have an attic entrance up here as well. But yeah, you could store whatever you wanted in here. Whatever. You could probably have a safe in here too if you wanted. But as I'm walking, you see how long this is? It's crazy. Now we've got the patio, the deck, in the backyard. Hopefully it's a little bit light enough, or at least light enough to where you'll be able to see it. But I did capture some clips. Right, let's look at this deck out here. I think it's too dark. So I have some clips of the backyard and it is amazing. So when I have the clips going, you will see it. Nice flooring down there as well. Spacious deck. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments. Cannot wait to see you next time. Y'all have a good one.